Today we are looking at how you can turn your dark lips into pink lips. Trust me, you have been struggling to get pink lips, you have been struggling to turn your dark lips into pink, but in today's video I am going to help you how you can turn your dark lips into soft pink lips. Trust me, this is amazing recipe which you would like to know how to make it at home. So what you have to do is to keep watching the entire video from the beginning up the end, and remember, don't forget to subscribe if you have never subscribed, to share this video to your friends, to invite your friends to our YouTube channel, Family TV Uganda. Okay, so keep watching guys, and right now let us go to our preparation. I'll be back in a few minutes. Don't forget that you add only 1 spoon of tomato juice, guys. This is amazing recipe for you to get soft pink lips in just 3 days in the week. From that, I want you to get for me lemon. You're going to add also 1 spoon of lemon juice, guys. Keep watching guys up the end. From that, I want you to get for me toothpaste, but your toothpaste is supposed to be plain toothpaste, guys. Any toothpaste, but it's supposed to be plain toothpaste. Don't use colored toothpaste. Like you see, my toothpaste is plain, so don't use colored toothpaste. Whatever type of your toothpaste you can use, Colgate, Dent, any type, but it's supposed to be colored toothpaste. Don't forget to subscribe to this YouTube channel, to invite your friends to our YouTube channel, Family TV Uganda, and of course you can leave a comment in the comment section. Yeah, guys, keep watching guys up the end. Starting from today, you have pink lips. Starting from today, you no longer have dark lips, because this is amazing recipe you should use at home in order to get pink lips. I want you to apply that remedy on your lips. Massage gently in circular motion, okay, for 1 to 2 minutes. I mean, when you apply that recipe on your lips, you massage in circular motion for at least 2 minutes. Don't exceed 2 minutes. Okay? Don't exceed 2 minutes when you are massaging your lips in circular motion using your fingertips. From that, I want you to leave that recipe to stand on your lips for 5 minutes. Guys, I repeat, after massaging your lips in circular motion for 2 minutes using your fingertips, leave that recipe to stand on your lips for 5 minutes. From that, I want you to use lukewarm water to clean your lips. The reason why I'm emphasizing this recipe is very powerful. Okay, when you scrub for 2 minutes, leave it to your lips for 5 minutes. I repeat, 5 minutes. Don't exceed 5 minutes after scrubbing or after massaging for 2 minutes using your finger. From that, I told you, use lukewarm water to clean your lips. Okay, please repeat the procedure. At least don't exceed 3 days in the week. I want you to do it on Monday, Wednesday and Friday. Are we together, guys? Monday, Wednesday and Friday. Trust me, when you do it for 3 days in 1 week, you'll be having soft pink lips. So starting from today, no more dark lips. You'll be having soft pink lips in just 1 week. Remember, this is your boy Coach Uganda on Family TV Uganda. So if you have not yet, guys, subscribed, why not subscribe right now? Give a comment to this video, share this video to your friends in WhatsApp groups, on Facebook, Instagram, TikTok, and of course you have to invite your friends to this YouTube channel, Family TV Uganda, guys. And remember, don't forget to subscribe if you have not yet subscribed. Okay, so guys, I love you so much. May God bless you. Bye bye. See you again. I'll be Coach Uganda.